Greetings, everybody. Let me just start by saying that this weekend, a number of events occurred, and the market was very, very volatile this weekend. First, to basically overthrow the power of Bitcoin using Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold, it was said that some of the Chinese mining pools conspired to have spammed the network with spam Bitcoin transactions in dollars. As a result, because of the Bitcoin network capability, Bitcoin sharply fell. In addition, because the Chinese mining pools organized with major exchanges to support and launch Bitcoin Cash, they're going to let those who want to sell, so they themselves can get a hold of a lot of the Bitcoin Cash. The hash power of Bitcoin mining has greatly decreased because of all of this, but the hash power of Bitcoin Cash mining has essentially doubled. And of course, the results of this, as we saw, was that Bitcoin fell very sharply. It collapsed to around $5,200, maybe a little lower for a short amount of time, like around $5,150, give or take about $100. After this short collapse, the price immediately started to return back to its original course. A lot of people find it hard to believe that it's even possible for Bitcoin to have these problems, but some have even started looking to rely more onto Bitcoin Cash and some even Bitcoin Gold because of these. We will continue to monitor the situation, but we will now continue with our normal review. So today's review is dedicated to the cryptocurrency Dash. Currently, the best course of action to take for you with this currency to actually make some profit is to wait it out a bit. Looking at the chart, it literally just took a few hours or even up to a day to reach the top of its wave 5. What you can expect now from Dash is the correction waves. The price is expected to decrease to the area of around $250. This is where I would say is the optimal region to enter. A good exit position after buying at the price of $250 is around the target level of $385. In this case, you'd want to put a stop position around $213. Like I said, we reached the top of wave 5 and we are expecting the correction waves A, B, and C to reach down to about $250 and after that bounce back up to the retracement levels of around 38 to 50%. The correction wave A is expected to reach the 61.8% retracement and wave B is expected to peak at the price that is a little lower than the top of the previous wave 5. This is why the target level is set at $385. I say this is the optimal range to buy and sell because it has some security behind it as well. Because let's say that the event occurred where SegWit 2x actually did end up happening. At that point, we really wouldn't know what would happen to the price of this coin, which is why we would have to be extremely cautious while trading it. So the risk here is about a $36 or $37 compared to about a $130 gain, which still is staying pretty safe in the case of any of these events that could occur. That's why these price ranges were calculated to minimize risk and still make a decent profit in case Bitcoin decides to go through with creating SegWit 2x, in which case there is some security in the entrances of these trades as well. Best of luck to you all, and until next time.